Hi, my name is Laura Bertoncini. I'm a board-certified acupuncture physician. What I'm going to do, instead of you reading about me, I decided better than reading about me is to know about me, a bio, but a bio more personable. And so, how did I get into acupuncture? Well, the question is, people ask me that question, and I want to answer the question. My mother is a medical doctor, family practice. I was working with her in her office, and I saw what was happening with the patients. I saw people coming there with diabetes, here's a pill. High blood pressure, here's a pill. You have pain, here's a pill. But there's no, it's just covering up the symptoms, it's not taking care of anything. I had been for years trying to take care of my health through eating right, exercising, going organic, and then one day what happened, what really caught my attention is somebody very close to me, my family member, got a chronic disease. And the first thing that my mom, the medical doctor, wanted to do is put him on a terrible protocol that has a lot of side effects. And I got worried and concerned. I said, there's got to be another way. So I started at a school for alternative medicine, a bachelor's in alternative medicine, and while I was there, I studied acupuncture, Chinese medicine, and all the alternatives. Well, one day there was a lady there that was an acupuncture physician, and she put a needle in me, and I felt something, and I said, I want to know more about that. So from there, I went and I found out about the school that she was at, that's in Sarasota, East West School of Natural Medicine. I went there and I had an interview and they accepted me, so I transferred. And so I was very excited about it. It was something I learned a little bit later in life, and so, but it's who I wanted to be. It's what I wanted to do. I want to help people. So anyhow, when I was in school, what I found out while I was in school is that there's something that's called auricular medicine, which are ears. So I decided to go and find out more about it because I was experimenting and I was putting ear seeds in people's ears, and they said, gosh, you know, those things you put in my ear help my shoulder, or it helped my back, or it helped my neck. So I went to a world-renowned doctor in Orlando, Dr. Wong, and I went through her coursework and really got the information because my school wasn't willing to give me the information. So I have auricular medicine in my office. But not only that, there was a massage therapist there that told me about Reiki and energy healing. And I didn't understand anything about it. So I paid out of my pocket and went through my busy schedule to find out about it. And once I was there, and she went over that it's been around for thousands and thousands of years, and then we had to take somebody, put them on the table and scan them, and I could actually feel differences by not even touching them, but putting the hands just over that person. And then she took us aside and she prayed over us. And then we came back, and then I tried it again. She said, now it's time to scan again. I was like, oh gosh, she's really wasting my time. But when I put my hand upon the person, my hand was like a magnet. And I said, there's something to this. There is something to it. So I had gone through the training, and I had to 6 months, I just, did it to myself. But I want to do it for somebody else, so I had to go to the second level. So I went to the second level and went through the training with her again. And then what I found out, when I was still in school, I was seeing double clinics, double people in my clinic. And I didn't understand what is going on. Well, the difference is I use the auricular, I use the energy, I use the acupuncture. And the difference is I love what I do. I want to help people. If you'll go on my website, you will see and you will read testimonies from people, and I don't change it. It's exactly the way they write it. Good English, bad English, it's there for you to read. But anyhow, I also worked at Health South Hospital, Rehab Hospital, and I worked with people with trauma, with injury injury from car accidents, strokes, and so on and so forth. But and so that's more experience. Not only that, I know more about Western medicine because my mother's family practiced, so I'm more familiar than Western medicine than most acupuncturists. I am willing to work with your doctor. I work with a doctor in South Tampa. She works at Moffitt, so I treat people that are recovering cancer. before, after enduring, that helps with the nausea. So I have a lot more experience than the normal acupuncturist. In Tampa, I've seen, you know, anywhere from 30 to 40 patients. Now I see 30 to 40 patients, but now it's in my own practice here in Hudson. So, if you have any questions about me or my background or my experience, I do free consultations. More than happy to do a free consultation for you. You can call me at 352-340-7471. If you have any questions about me or my background, I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.